All right, folks, we're breaking in the furnace tonight. We got aluminum in the ToAuto Furnace, firing it off for the first, well, it's already been fired off, but this is our first pour. We're gonna pour some muffins, and we're gonna pour a couple of bars and a round, and we got some kinetic sand that we're gonna try to pour into also. So when this gets melted down, then we'll be back. Got a huge bucket of aluminum. It's probably about 4 gallons in that 5-gallon bucket of aluminum scraps from power lines that I got off a job site. Super clean, really nice aluminum. We'll be back. It's in there. You ready?
He started.
Oh, shucks. That shark's not gonna work. Well, there's 2 attempts, and looks like we're gonna. All right, we're gonna see what these guys turned out to look like. This is the turtle. This is in play sand. That is pretty cool. They're still pretty hot. We just poured them a couple seconds ago. That's my very first pour that I've ever done. Right there, the little turtle. I think it's gonna come. I think this is gonna be a successful mission. Let's see what the shark looks like. Oh, we don't want to smash the next mold. Pull the shark out by the tail. Here is the shark. I think he's going to come out pretty cool. We'll be able to clean him up pretty good. I could almost use that mold again and pour into it a second time. That is so cool. This is just play sand, kinetic sand from Fred Meyer's. So cool. Right on. Looks like we have somewhat success. Next, we'll try doing some bars. Here we go. We're gonna do a little tiny guy over here. Let's get it coming out of the hole. Oh, that was a lot. All right, folks, here it is. The results of the pour. We tried to do the fastball grenade from Borderlands. We had a little 3D printed version of that. Yeah, that was not too much of a success. This was some of the toys that came with the Magic Sand play kit, and so that's the shark. Ba-boom. And this is the turtle right here. Ba-boom. I think we did pretty good with that. It had a little thing you could pick up the turtle with right there, so we ground that off, and then we did a bar, 5.28 ounce aluminum bar. The turtle, we just stamped it AU, and the maker, and the shark. My son, he stamped this one ALU for aluminum, and yeah, we had some fun. We were successful. The ToAuto Furnace works for pouring aluminum. Thanks for checking it out. It was a great day. First pour done.